I saw a question asking, what is garbage collection in Python? And I realized I don't fully get it.
Garbage collection is how Python automatically manages memory for you.
Meaning, I don't have to manually free memory like in C or C++.
Exactly, Python handles that behind the scenes.
So what counts as garbage in Python?
Objects that are no longer needed or referenced by your program.
Referenced as in, no variables are pointing to them?
Yes, when an object has no references, it becomes a candidate for removal.
How does Python know when that happens?
Python mainly uses reference counting.
That means each object tracks how many references it has.
Correct. Every time a reference is added or removed, the count changes.
And when the count hits 0, the object is deleted?
Immediately, in most cases.
That sounds pretty efficient.
It is, but it has a limitation.
Let me guess. Circular references?
Exactly.
Like two objects referencing each other but nothing else referencing them?
Yes, their reference counts never reach 0.
So Python would leak memory without a solution.
That's why Python also has a cyclic garbage collector.
How does that work?
It looks for groups of objects that reference each other, but are unreachable from the program.
Unreachable meaning no path from active variables?
Right, even if they reference each other internally.
Does this cyclic collector run all the time?
No, it runs periodically to avoid performance issues.
So reference counting handles most cases immediately.
And cyclic GC cleans up the tricky leftovers.
Can developers control garbage collection?
Yes, Python provides a GC module for that.
What can you do with it?
You can enable or disable the collector, force a collection, or tune thresholds.
Why would someone disable garbage collection?
Sometimes for performance tuning in very specific scenarios.
But usually you just leave it alone.
Absolutely, Python's defaults are good for most applications.
What about memory cleanup timing? Can I rely on it?
You shouldn't rely on exact timing, especially with cyclic GC.
So destructors aren't guaranteed to run immediately?
Correct, especially for objects and reference cycles.
That's why context managers are recommended for resources, right?
Exactly, things like files and locks should be closed explicitly.
Not left to garbage collection.
Right, garbage collection is about memory, not external resources.
Does garbage collection affect performance?
It can, but usually the impact is small and manageable.
Unless you create tons of objects very fast.
Then tuning or object pooling might help.
So the big idea is automatic memory management.
Yes, Python frees developers from manual memory handling.
With reference counting plus a backup system for cycles.
That's the key takeaway.
Makes Python safer, but slightly less predictable.
True, but the productivity gain is worth it.
Agreed. Less time managing memory, more time solving problems.